Okay. Them wheels though. Ooh. They're like blue? Oh, they JBM too.
We're gonna see somebody lose it. Damn, look at that wing.
Big wing gang.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you never seen a big wing on this?
I have seen these before.
Oh.
These are like, oh, actually it was one at Boxer Fest.
Yeah.
You stood by it for
Hold up. I like that. I don't care what nobody says. My bad. My bad. It's here. Don't mind me.
Let's go on that side. So we can get closer to the speed more. Or I don't know, where do you think? Where do you think?
Jesus Christ. This is... I know. They said it's crazier than Katie's. That's Subie got to get it. Yeah, it is him. They do come out here a lot.
Those are the two guys that have a chance to catch.
I guess it's Subie.
The black one. Because I forgot they do come out here a lot. I haven't met him, but I just like, I think I talked to him online before. I'm not sure, but I always comment like on the YouTube videos.
All right. So, timing that. Damn. Brandon Blackwell, you need an end right now. So we got a couple of reruns.
Oh, that little Miata going for it.
No, look at him, look at him.
I think he's about to spin out like that. Yes. That sounds so.
Roman, 4 tenths in front of St. Louis. Harley was third.
I don't know if that's a legit license.
That's what, yeah, that's what I said. Aren't they fast? You know. Aren't they like hella expensive? What's this? I keep thinking you're like recording. Oh yeah, yeah, I want one. They are? Oh yeah. For the inside.
I just want to.
If anyone knows who this is,
Amazing.
you said simple. You think it's a
speedometer, maybe? No. Speedometer.
Seen that before, yeah.
Oh, Miss Scott Wentz, 63,544.
Hey.
Followed by Day Park. Day Park, 602, 79, 59, 079. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79. 79
at 3 o'clock in the morning, yo. I'll pay somebody.
Auto with the 59072, 59072, making some amazing noises.
All right,
Looks like
Jerry.
he needs a captain. I think his co-driver might sell him one. No mosquito.
Who is this? Just
Oh, those we are. Those. I like those.
yeah.
I like those.
Who is this person parking with us? That's what Mustangs do. They Mopars, but they the new Mustangs, bruh. Crazy ass mother.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.